Welcome back. Here we go on a new kind of problem. They want us to solve for A1 and they're going to give me this information. So I think maybe we should take this formula and just solve it for A1. So let's multiply, let's cross multiply here. When we cross multiply, it's going to look like this. Just multiply those two together. Then let's divide by 1 minus r to the n. And this gives me a formula to use. Sn 1 minus r to the n power. And now we can just put these in because I want A1 anyway. So 8 E5 and 5/16. I'm going to do that on my calculator in a minute. I'll show you how. 1 minus 4. In the bottom I've got 1 minus 4 to the 6th power. And then all I need to do is calculate that. Well, this is going to be, that was supposed to be 1 minus 4. 1 minus r, okay, which is negative. This is really negative 3. Okay, so let's see. Let's clear all that. So let's do 85 plus 5 divided by 16. There's that one. And then I'm just going to put all these in parentheses and just be safe. You should too. Let's put the denominator, let me raise this up a little bit so you can see it. Let's put the denominator in parentheses too, like so. And if you get that entered correctly, if you'll enter this correctly, then all you got to do is press enter, and there's your answer. A1 is 0.0625. It's a terminating decimal. Don't round any of these. Now, if you prefer, you can do math, enter, enter. It'll change that to a 16th. Okay, so there's that one. We're pretty good on it. Let's see if we can sandwich 14 into this little space right here. Sn is 91 and 1/12. R is 3. N is 7. And I'm going to use this same formula. 91 and 1/12. R is 3, 1 minus 3. Down here, 1 minus 3 to the 7th. Calculate it. Shouldn't be too hard to calculate this. Okay, let's open a parentheses. 91 plus 1 divided by 12. Okay, next parentheses. 1 minus 3 divided by next parentheses 1 minus 3 up to the 7th. Okay, now there's a couple of ways you can write this. If you want to write a decimal, that's okay as long as you put a bar over that 3. Or you can say a 12th if you want to, which is the correct answer, by the way. Is a 12th. Okay, very good. So I'm going to go ahead and show you these next 6 on this same video. This will be enough work for today. Here we are down here at the bottom. We're going to do these 6. The answers are there in red. So if you don't get that answer, show me the work. I'm going to expect to see the work. So show me the work. Use that same formula we're using. See, SN, 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 SN. Uh-oh, AN, AN. On these last two, you'll have to use this formula. But you can do that and solve for A1. Okay, they all say solve for A1 anyway. So get those done and send them to me, and y'all are doing good. Hang in there. Everybody take a deep breath and relax. We'll be back.